In Onshape, there are lots of uses for mate connectors. In this video, we will take a look at one use related to model analysis, specifically your mass properties. Here I am in an assembly. You can see it has a number of different components, and I want to measure my mass properties. If you take a look on the screen, you can see that we have our origin, and it's located up at one of the ends of the crankshaft. But I'm more interested in getting it relative to the middle of the crankshaft. Also, I want my axes to be different. If you take a look at the view cube, in this assembly, the y-axis is pointing up, but I want my z-axis up for my mass properties. For that reason, I can use a mate connector. You can see that I already have a mate connector that I want to use. One thing about using a mate connector for your mass properties is that it has to be an explicit mate connector. In other words, it has to exist before you measure your mass properties. You can create a new mate connector by using this icon. Anyhow, let's measure our mass properties. I will go to the icon in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. When I click on it, we get the dialog box. And then for the instances I want to measure, I will just select the top node in the list of instances. The mass properties are being calculated. And so we can see our center of mass, and we can see that we've got our values like X is very small, we've got our Y value and our Z value, and we also have our mass moments of inertia in X, Y, and Z. But instead, I can use this field in order to specify a mate connector for my reference frame. For simplicity, I'm going to pick it right out of the features list. And by the way, if you take a look, there's no button over on the right that allows you to create a mate connector on the fly. And so let me grab it out of the instances list, not the features list, the instances list. I will click on it, and now we can see our different values. We have our X value. It is a relatively small value. Our Y value is the one that's almost zero. Here we have our Z value in the vertical direction, and our mass moments of inertia have changed based on the mate connector that we are using for our reference frame. So there you have it. That is another use of mate connectors in Onshape.